to the early Christians in Corinth that here we need to remember in all that problems that we encounter, sufferings, that God is there who comfort us. And also Apostle Paul explained his experiences in sharing the gospel, preaching the gospel, and walking and following to the teaching of our Lord Jesus Christ. It is not easy. He said he been challenged beyond, he been challenged just like he felt that he is being sentenced into death when he visited the Asia. So what we say, Asian people is part here in the ministry of our Lord Jesus Christ and our God, and every one of us, all of us, who has an ability to come to Christ and experience His grace, His healing and